Qualities of people with Gemini Sun Sign. Individuals with a Gemini Sun Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the airy and adaptable nature of Gemini. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Gemini Sun Sign. Versatility and adaptability. Gemini Sun individuals are known for their versatility and ability to adapt to different situations. They have a natural curiosity and thrive in dynamic and ever-changing environments. Intellectual and curious. They have a sharp intellect and a curious mind. Gemini Sun people are constantly seeking knowledge and information. They enjoy learning and exploring various subjects and have a natural gift for communication. Social and charming. They have excellent social skills and a charming demeanor. Gemini Sun individuals are often outgoing and enjoy interacting with a wide range of people. They have a knack for making connections and engaging in stimulating conversations. Quick thinkers and agile minds. They have quick thinking and agile minds. Gemini Sun individuals can process information rapidly and excel in tasks that require mental agility and multitasking. They have a natural gift for problem solving. Adaptable communication style. They have a flexible communication style and can easily adapt to different audiences and situations. Gemini Sun people are skilled communicators and can express themselves effectively in various mediums, such as writing, speaking, or digital communication. Restless and energetic. They have a restless and energetic nature. Gemini Sun individuals often have many interests and hobbies, and they may find it challenging to stick to one thing for an extended period. They thrive on mental stimulation and variety. Witty and humorous. They have a natural wit and sense of humor. Gemini Sun individuals are often quick with clever remarks and enjoy making others laugh. They have a playful and light-hearted approach to life. Dualistic nature. They have a dualistic nature and can exhibit contrasting traits. Gemini Sun individuals may have multiple sides to their personality, and they can switch between different moods and perspectives. Love for learning and communication. They have a love for learning and intellectual pursuits. Gemini Sun people are lifelong learners and enjoy engaging in discussions and debates. They may excel in fields that involve communication, writing, teaching, or media. Restlessness and difficulty with commitment. They may experience restlessness and have difficulty with long-term commitments. Gemini Sun individuals thrive on change and may seek variety and excitement in their lives. They may struggle with routine and find it challenging to settle down. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets and the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.